Hello and welcome to Niecy's Custom, where I show you how to do sublimation using Silhouette Studios. If you are new to the channel, look at the whole video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little different today, guys. Today we're going to be using the puff vinyl, the 3D vinyl. I see that's a craze right now that everybody wants, especially on the puff jackets. So I guess that's what that's what my son called it, and shirts or hoodies. Today I'm going to show you how to press that and how to do the designs on it. It's just like any other vinyl that you work with. You know, you have to cut it out with the Silhouette Studios or your Cricut, and you have to weave it out and you have to press it under the heat press. I'm going to show you how to do all that today, step by step on how to do it. Okay, let us begin. First, you want to gather up all your supplies, your puff vinyl. You know, you got your Silhouette Studio, your Silhouette machine, you know, your weaving tools, and your heat press. Don't use an iron because it's not going to really work out good if you use an iron. Right now, you see I have my design on my canvas, Bad and Boozy. Okay. With the puff vinyl, when you cut it, your blade is going to be on 3, the speed is going to be 5, the force is going to be on 15, and the passes is going to be 1. The temperature is 105 Fahrenheit to 320, and the time is going to be 10 to 15 seconds. And you guys, you have to peel this cold. You cannot peel this hot or warm. It has to be cold in order for it to, you know, peel off correctly. Right now, I said that I already have my design on my canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press this. No, not press it, but I'm going to cut it out. Let me flip this. Let me change my settings. Let me go to it. Go all the way down to heat, vinyl, smooth. And all this is going to be the same. I'm going to change this to 3. The force is going to be 10. And the speed is 5. Oh, okay. And I'll be right back to show you how I'm going to press it. Okay guys, you see I have it on my cutting mat, and I'm just going to slide it in.
Okay, once you get it off the heat press, you have to peel it off cool. As you can see, it fell off. It came out real nice. And the video can't show the justice, but that 3D puff vinyl, it really sets the shirt off. And you know that's a thing now. Everybody wants that puff vinyl. So I said go ahead and try it. It's easy. The temperature is 320. The press is 12 seconds, and it's good. Hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.